Hi, I'm Ammu. This is my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe, cold coffee shake that tastes absolutely delicious, thick and creamy without the use of ice cream. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Take 3 tablespoons of instant coffee powder and add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Mix it really well and keep it aside. In a blender jar, add 2 glasses of full fat milk, chilled milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add chocolate syrup 2 tablespoons, 4 ice cubes. Next add coffee solution. Blend nicely for 2 minutes until everything is combined well and frothy. Take a glass and tilt it slightly. Now swirl chocolate syrup by rotating the glass slowly so that it makes random design in the glass. Pour in glasses and serve cold coffee immediately. Finally, garnish with chocolate syrup, chocolate sprinkles. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more interesting beauty hacks and delicious homemade recipes.